The Olympic torch, a beacon of hope and unity, is passed from one torchbearer to another. As it travels across continents, it carries the dreams of athletes and fans alike. The Olympic torch, a symbol of resilience and passion, embarks on its epic journey. But behind the scenes, another silent hero plays a vital role. Industrial sewing workshops are buzzing with activity. Skilled artisans are meticulously stitching fabrics, their hands moving rhythmically like a symphony with a hum of sewing machines filling the air.
Meet our unsung heroes, the industrial sewing machines. From hydrodynamic swimsuits to aerodynamic cycling jerseys, they weave magic. Precision, strength, and endurance, just like our athletes.
Aquatics. Athletics. Badminton. Basketball. Boxing. Canoeing. Cycling. Equestrian. Fencing. Gymnastics. Judo. Rowing. Sailing. Shooting. Table tennis. Taekwondo. Tennis. Volleyball. Weightlifting. Wrestling. Remember, each sport has its unique attire designed to optimize performance, comfort, and safety. From swimsuits to wrestling singlets, these outfits play a crucial role in the athlete's pursuit of excellence and their journey to victory.